Yo guys, here's today's trade recap. I mean, I didn't take a trade today because I slept in because I was sick yesterday, but here's a trade that I would have took if I was actually trading today. So yeah, let's get into it. We have London high, London low. Market opens at 7. I wouldn't count that as a tap in plus reaction. That's just like a no. But we sweep it. We break structure. We then get a 30-minute close above London high. We tap back into it and reject when this bearish white candle closes at 7:50. It closed, and yeah, I would have entered, put my stop below low, targeted 1 to 2, and I would have got stopped out before hitting my take profit. But yeah, pretty good that I didn't take a trade today because it would have been a loss. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, peace.